This is the last question of a sample paper. Question number 34, cash flow statement. Extracts of balance sheet of Messrs. Agarwal Limited is given. They have asked us to calculate operating profit before the changes in the working capital. Also cash flow from financing activities. First, let's see operating profit before working capital changes. I have marked all the net profit before tax. First is interim dividend. It is given for the current year. We have issued 3 lakh of shares, but it is at the end of the year, which is mentioned in additional information A. Thus, interim dividend of 15% will be given on the opening balance, that is rupees 9 lakhs. Next is dividend, which is given on preference shares, point B. Here the preference shares were redeemed on 1st of April 2024, that is in the beginning of the year. So 1 lakh we have redeemed in the beginning of the year. Dividend will be given on 4 lakh rupees, the remaining amount. Profit and loss credit, which means there is a profit. This we take current year minus previous year, which comes to 2 lakh rupees. Calculation of net profit before tax. Profit and loss account balance 8 lakh minus 6 lakh 2 lakhs. Dividend on preference shares, we have taken 10% of 4 lakh. We have seen that 40,000. And interim dividend on equity shares, 15% of the opening balance 9 lakh, which comes to 1 lakh 35,000. Total is 3 lakh 75,000. Let's check the non-cash items. I have marked it already. Discount of 5% is given on issue of debentures. So 1 lakh we have issued. So 1 lakh per 5% is 5,000, which is a loss for the firm, and it will be added back in non-cash item. Similarly, preference shares are redeemed at a premium of 5%. We have given extra 5% on redemption. We have redeemed 1 lakh. Again, 5% comes to 5,000, which will be a loss and added back to non-cash item. Next is non-operating expenses. 12% debentures interest is there on opening balance because 1 lakh debentures we have issued at the end of the year. So this 12% of 3 lakh 36,000 will be added back. So the net profit before tax we have seen is 3,75,000. To this, we are going to add back the non-operating and non-cash items. Premium on redemption of shares, 5,000. Interest on debentures, 36,000. Discount on issue of debentures, 5,000. Total operating profit before working capital changes is 4,21,000.